Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the transparency of your picture on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button and now you can select a photo from your gallery. Now go to the effect button next to the eraser option at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find the second option, the transparency, and just put the circle on the line and you can edit the transparency of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.